Hey guys, here and in this video I would like to show you how to replace your rear door panel in a 2017 Honda Pilot. So it's actually a very simple procedure. It's simpler than changing a bulb in this car. So all you have to have for this procedure is a screwdriver, Phillips. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this panel in case you have to get to whatever you need to get to. First thing, just gonna get here and open this cover like this. Like this, simple. Next step, you take a screwdriver and remove 1, 2 screws. Okay, so I took the screws out, park them here. Next step, what we have to do, we have to get a screwdriver and get this plastic up like this. Don't force it, don't scratch it, don't scratch anything, okay? Then we take this screw out, get it out, put them here, and now we're ready to take off the panel. Find the grabbing point right here. This is a good comfortable spot, and just pull on it. Don't break it, just pull on it, okay? This. Okay. Pull it and raise it up. Like this. Don't rush, don't break nothing, okay? Here we have our handle. The handle should come out. Simple. Oh, this was supposed to come out somehow. Oh yeah, just pull on it. And the connectors. To get the wiring off, you just take the screwdriver, remove it from here, this thing, and remove all the connectors. This one. How do you remove the connector? There's a middle piece, you press on it and pull, okay, like this. And same goes with the handle here. Okay, this is in order if you have to get the panel off, okay? So, and then you have whatever you have here, whatever you need to get to, the speaker or window, anything, you just do it this way. After that, when you're done, you just connect back all the connectors you took out. Put the handle back in place. Raise the panel like this. Put the top first. Make sure it's nice and aligned and there are no holes or gaps, nothing. After that, just smack, don't smack. After that, just make sure the holes are aligned with the clips and just smack around the perimeter. To make sure the panel sits in place. If it doesn't feel right, it's most likely not, so make sure everything's nice and legit. So when you have everything aligned, we just do the same reverse procedure. Just put back the screw here and 2 screws in here, in the handle, right there. So I have my screws back in place. 1, 2, 3. Take the cover. Good. And this cover. That's it. As you can see, it's a very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. Hope this helps. So guys, if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.